In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files, 2026 guide. Before we begin, let's set clear expectations. Wix is a proprietary platform, which means you can't download your site's source code like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. What you can do, however, is create a high-quality visual backup of each page and export the media assets you originally uploaded. This approach gives you a reliable reference for redesigns, stakeholder reviews, or platform migrations. First, let's create visual backups using a browser extension called Go Full Page. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for Go Full Page, and add the extension to your browser. With the extension installed, open your live Wix site in Chrome. Click the Go Full Page icon near the address bar and let it run. The tool automatically scrolls from top to bottom, stitches the entire page together, and prepares a single image or a PDF. When the capture finishes, choose your preferred format and save it to your computer. Repeat this for every unique page on your site: home, about, services, blog posts, contact, and any landing pages, so you have a full visual record. For long or media-heavy pages, give the extension time to render. If a section loads as you scroll, wait a moment before starting the capture so everything appears correctly. Next, download your media assets directly from Wix. In your Wix dashboard, open Media from the sidebar. Go to Site Files to see the images, videos, and documents used on your website. Select the files you want, individually or in batches, and click Download to save them to your computer. This is especially helpful if you're preparing a redesign or moving to another platform and need your original high-resolution files. Consider organizing the downloads into folders that mirror your site structure so it's easy to find what you need later. If anything doesn't download as expected, check a couple of settings. Pop-up blockers can stop the download windows from opening, so allow pop-ups for Wix. Also confirm that your browser has permission to save files to your default downloads folder, and ensure there's enough storage space available. If the extension capture looks off, try reloading the page to let all elements finish loading before you run it again. By following these steps, you'll have a clear, shareable visual snapshot of each page and a secure copy of your media library. While you can't export the site's code, these backups give you the essentials you control and help you maintain an accurate archive of your Wix website.